So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to middle align text on the Google Docs mobile application. So if you were to go ahead here and type in some text, middle align just like this, as you can tell the alignment's from the left. If you want to go ahead and change this, simply go ahead and open up this middle bar right here. And then there's two options where it says like left align or middle align. You can go ahead and press middle align like this, and it'll go ahead and align your text this way. Another way you can do it as well is to open up this middle bar on the far right side, press the A with the underline. Then you can scroll down to where it says, not right here, but beside text to open up paragraph. Then you can go ahead and align it however you want. In this case, go ahead and press middle. Then you can exit out of there, press the check mark, and now your text will be middle aligned. So that is how to middle align text on Google Docs, the mobile application. Hope this video helps.